Morning students, in today's video we will starting with a new topic, intervals as subset of real number. So interval as subset of real number, first one is closed interval. Set of all real numbers x such that a less than equal to x less than equal to b, and it is denoted by enclosed within big bracket a b, and this brackets is known as closed interval. Now if we show this interval on the number line, so this is minus infinity to plus infinity. It means set of all real numbers. And if we take two elements a and b, which is belongs to set R, it means set of real number. So both elements a and b are included, and all elements between a and b are also included in the closed interval, and we denoted a and b with dot. It means a and b both are included in this closed interval, and all numbers between a and b are also included in closed interval. Now next is open interval. Set of all real number x such that a less than x less than b, and denoted by small bracket ab. This small bracket is known as open interval, and if we denote it into number line, so minus infinity to plus infinity, set of all real numbers, and a and b are two elements which is belongs to set R. So here a and b both are not included in the open interval. It means a and b are excluded, and it is denoted by the whole, and all the elements between a and b are included in the open interval. It means all the elements between a and b included this open interval, and a and b not included the open interval. Now third is semi-open or semi-closed interval. So set of all real numbers such that either a less than equal to x less than b, this is our first condition, and second a less than x less than equal to b. So denoted by closed interval a and open interval b. If we denoted number line, so minus infinity to plus infinity, set of all real numbers, here a is a within closed bracket and denoted by the dot. So it means a is included in this interval, and b within open bracket and denoted by the whole. It means b not included in this interval. It means b is excluded, and all the numbers between a and b are included in this interval. And next is a less than x less than equal to b. It means a within open bracket and b closed bracket. A denoted by the whole. So a within open bracket, it means a not included in this interval, and b within closed bracket, it means b included in this interval and denoted by the dot. And all the elements between a and b are also included in this interval. So this is our interval: first closed interval, open interval, and semi-open or semi-closed interval. Now our next topic is power set. The collection of all subset of a set A is called the power set of A. It means all subset of the set A is known as power set. Let set A is equals to 1, 2. So subset of set A will be phi. We know that phi is the subset of every set, and 1, 2 and 1, 2. 1, 2 means the set itself is a subset is a, it means every set is a subset of itself. So all the subset of A are denoted as PA. A number of element in power set is equals to 2 to the power m, where m is the number of element in set A. Let's take an example. Consider a set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. So number of elements in power set, it means denoted by n. PA is equals to 2 to the power m, and m is the number of element in set A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in set A. So 2 to the power m is equals to 32. It means number of element in power set, that is 32. Next topic is universal set. In any context, biggest possible set is universal set, and it is denoted by capital U. Universal set is biggest possible set. Example, if A is equals to 1, 2 and B is equals to 3, 4, 5. So universal set U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Implies that U is universal set which contains set A and B as a subset. So this is our universal set. Thank you.